Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Today's secret Shib versus 2 token Shib news launch was witnessed by Shiba Inu's CEO. Shiba Inu is still experiencing growth in its holding base despite the market slump. With over $1.26 million in total holders, the meme coin continues to rank among the most widely used cryptocurrencies. The CEO of Shiba Inu, who was seen releasing a secret Shib versus 2 token Shib news today, will be the subject of this film. To see our most recent Shiba Inu videos, pricing forecasts, and expert analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shiba Inu has attracted more than 10,000 new holders in just 2 weeks, while popularity for cryptocurrencies generally is declining. As a result, the overall number of Shib owners surpassed 1.26 million areas, signaling further expansion for the meme coin. Data from shows that in the previous 24 hours, the number increased by 0 points, or 33%. After crossing over 1.8 million watch lists on the coin market cap, the meme coin also recently achieved another milestone. The growth occurs despite the fact that the price of digital assets has had numerous setbacks, sharply reducing investor profit margins. The information for the top cryptocurrencies on the site was just made public by Finance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by trading volume. Shiba Inu joined market leaders Bitcoin and Ethereum in the top 3. The Shib's price hasn't really changed despite all the new achievements. Over the past 2 months, the holding base has been steadily increasing, but the price of Shib has not responded favorably. Instead, it appears that Shiba Inu developments are unrelated to the native token's price performance, as there has been no appreciable shift as a result. The meme currency may not thereafter experience any recovery before the year is over. The trend is still slightly above 80 cents. It's crucial to keep in mind that the proportion of Shiba Inu addresses that are now active is less than 5% of all addresses, even while the bear market continues. This indicates a decline in activity for the digital asset, which can account for the lack of responses to the milestones. Large Ethereum whales, who once held a sizable portion of the cryptocurrency on their holdings, have also lost interest in it. This has made the bear market for meme coin worse. If the Shib does not gain momentum, it is feasible that it will reach $0.07 before the year is over. In December 2022, only 352 million Shiba Inu tokens were burnt. Only 0.6% of the Shibs in circulation are represented by this. It is insufficient to produce any meaningful price breakouts. An unexpected 31 billion Shib tokens, or 0.5% of the Shiba Inu in circulation, in May 2022 concealed the Shiba Inu burn rate. Since Vitalik Buterin burned 410 trillion Shib in a single transaction, this is the best Shiba Inu has ever performed. Holders of Shiba Inu tokens had the option to burn them the year prior in exchange for passive income. Sadly, the burn portal fell short of expectations. Nonetheless, it is currently undergoing further development, this time by the Shiba Inu lead development team. Shiba Inu investors numbering in the hundreds of thousands are optimistic about burning Shiba. One issue, though, is that not many people contribute to the burn rate. Investors must either create a project or company that burns Shiba Inu from a portion of income, or they must send their tokens to one of the 3 designated burn addresses. Last month, Shiba Inus only cost $6,000 to enter burn addresses. Shib was traded every day for over $100 million during this time. Holders of Shiba Inus have surpassed 1.26 million, increasing by more than 11,000 during the past several weeks. Considering the bad market and the project's already burgeoning popularity, the little increase is noteworthy. Shiba Inu has been regaining popularity in recent weeks as a result of the prominent Shibarium improvements, which include the Metaverse Beta, which is supposedly due in the first quarter of 2023. Shiba was recently chosen by Binance as one of the tokens to watch in 2023, and this month has seen a rise in the price of Shibarium's Bone token. The Shiba burn has also put in a lot of effort. Since December 19th, almost 45 million SHIB tokens have been burned, with the Shibburn Twitter account tracking the progress. Well, as we wait for the significant improvement of Shibarium, the Shiba Inu developer team unveiled a few additional features this week. The most eager members of the SHIB army will, however, not have a dull wait since Shiba Eternity's update version has just been launched. Shiba Eternity for mobile devices had various problems that players frequently encountered fixed in the 4th version. The official collectible card game for the SHIB was released on October 6, 2022, as was originally mentioned. After a few days, the collectible card game quickly surpassed the well-known card games Yu-Gi-Oh! And Uno in popularity on iOS and Android. The remainder of the Shiba Eternity development team just received a thank you note from the highly skilled game developer William Vogt. According to Mr. Vogt, this card game is the best project I have ever worked on and the one with the highest rating. Indeed, the collectible card game was highly appreciated by SHIB aficionados all across the world, as seen by the 4.8-star rating out of 5 in the App Store. The first week after the game's release in Vietnam saw such a buzz about it that the creators had to 50 times expand the capacity of the Vietnamese servers. According to recent changes in the renowned card game, some crypto specialists think SHIB is poised for another bull run in addition to the enhancements. The ongoing increase in the number of total wallets is another compelling argument in favor of this, even in a challenging bear market. The current market price of the K9 coin is barely $0.00828 according to CoinGecko, declining by another 1% in the last 24 hours. As a result, it is unclear whether Wednesday's SHIB rally will take place. The wildly popular Doc Memecoin is down by double digits on a weekly basis and was compelled to drop 2 spots in the cryptocurrency rankings by the total market cap meme token. On the biggest cryptocurrency market in the world, Shiba Inu is one of the top 3 most followed cryptocurrencies in 2022. The other 2 are Ethereum, the most popular smart contract protocol, and King Crypto, Bitcoin. Even while traders are closely monitoring Shiba, only 3% of Shiba holders are currently making money on their investments, while 84% are underwater, according to Inu, a top analytics company in the block. The Dogecoin rival's value decreased by approximately 75% year-to-date from its $0.33 at the beginning of 2022 to its current price of 80 cents. The meme cryptocurrency asset has likewise lost 90.4% of its value from its peak in October 2021. According to the block, major holders, defined by the analytics company as Whales and Invest, who possess more than 0.1% of the altcoin's circulating supply, control 80% of the available SHIB. The analytics company also finds that 37% of SHIB owners have held onto the meme token for more than a month but less than a year, while 58% of SHIB owners have held onto it for over a year. Only 5% of people have stayed put for under a month. The SHIB's token burn mechanism, one of the crypto industry's viral memes, has been heavily promoted this year in a desperate bid to lower the huge supply that is wreaking havoc on the sector. These burns have primarily been supported by the share burn community, and every day millions of tokens are being withdrawn from circulation. Nearly 83 billion Shiba Inu tokens have been burned so far in 2022, according to the Shiba Inu burn tracker. Shiba Inu holders who are long-term supporters of the cryptocurrency have recently surpassed a critical historical benchmark. All Shiba Inu investors who have been holding onto their SHIB tokens for at least more than a year are included in the cohort of long-time holders, according to crypto analysis firm Inside the Block. According to data, Shiba Inu has made outstanding development in this sector since the beginning of this year, with the percentage of holders rising from 1% to an incredible 55%. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.